Here the idea of surveys using triangulation. Okay, what we've done is we've put a survey line of 5 meters in the middle of the classroom, and then we've measured from certain points on the survey line to say the corner of the room, the other corner of the room, one of the coffee tables in the room, okay, with the intention of being able to draw a scale diagram of the room. So we've decided that since we probably only have about 10 centimeters that we want to be working with, and we're dealing with probably about 10 meters in reality, we've calculated the scale factor and we've said 10 centimeters will be to 1,000 centimeters. 10 to 1,000, simplify it down to this ratio of 1:100. I'm not sure why that 21 centimeters is there. Give it a view. Basically what this is going to mean is that all of these map distances, all of these real distances, like 3.8 meters, okay, to change that distance in reality into a map distance, we're going to divide it by the scale. So on the map, it'll be 3.8 meters divided by our scale, which is 100. Okay, so move decimal place 2 places. 0.038 meters on the map, or 3.8 centimeters. So pretty much all these measurements which I've made in meters, I'm just going to convert them all to centimeters. So I'm going to start my diagram. I'm going to start by drawing somewhere handy on the bottom of the page. Just get everything in. Somewhere handy on the bottom of the page, I'm going to draw my survey line, nice and light, just a 5 centimeter line, pretty much down the middle of the page. And on that page, I'm going to mark the 5 centimeter markings, which are the 5 meter markings we used when we booked our survey. Okay, so from here I'm going to start drawing some arcs. So I can make these little markings as well. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And we note that in the map I've gone 3.8 meters from the start of the survey line. So I'm going to do something similar here. Mark my compass. So it's 3.8 centimeters. Okay, it takes a little bit of getting used to these compasses, but I should be able to make it 3.8. And plug my compass. Okay, all good. So from the end of the survey line, I'm going to draw an arc. Okay, 3.8 centimeters. Now then we'll look at the next measurement, 4.3 meters, and again open my compass up to 4.3 meters, correction 4.3 centimeters, and this time I'm drawing the arc from where the 4 is. So put my compass on where the 4 is, okay, draw my arc, and where these two arcs intersect is where the corner of the room is. Okay, now I'm going to go around and do that for all these other measurements. So 4.3, I won't change it from the 4 on the survey line on the other side. Okay, do a nice wide arc. 1 from 5 and it'd be 3.8. I probably should have done that at the same time. Again, another arc. Where those two intersect are the corners of the room. So already I have my room forming around those arcs. And I can draw it in. Okay, so from here we'll just continue around the room and see what shape we end up at. Okay, what we end up with after repeating that process is something that sort of looks like a rectangular room with a little bit of error. If we wanted to, we could then go and add in this little coffee table in the middle by just doing some more arcs on the inside. Okay, from here, there is on the OneNote for this page a triangulation exercise to work on.